Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to disable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So this is just a few ways on how to disable this. There are tons of ways on how to disable or reboot encryption, but what I'm going to show you right now is one of the steps or methods on how to disable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So first you have to open your Messenger and then go to your settings. And then you have to click this help or you can tap this report technical problem. So you can tap from any of this, but for this type, let's choose to click this report a problem. So click this report anyway, and then tap include. So you can read the following here and then tap include. Once you tap this, and then you will see that it is now creating a report. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds, I don't know, maybe minutes, in order for you to proceed. Then you will see this one. So you can now briefly explain what happened, and then they will help you or they will reach out to you and what are the things or steps that you should do in order for you to disable your end-to-end encryption. So here you can simply tell them that it's not useful for you or you think it's not necessary for you to use this one and you want to disable this. So you can tap this. What is the problem related to chats? And then you can tap also other. Now you can copy this one or you can create your own. But here I'm just trying to state that I'm currently facing end-to-end encryption problem or I'm facing related to end-to-end encryption. I find this unnecessary or I find this feature not helpful for me. So please do disable this or I don't want to use this anymore, something like that. That is the main thought. But you could also copy this one, like good day messenger team. I'm facing end-to-end encryption issue in my messenger account. I want to disable and remove it because I don't find it useful or necessary and I want to remove it as soon as possible. You can say, please help me fix this or please disable it. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to your response, something like that. You can also add a picture here as a proof or a video. As you can see, record video or camera roll. You have to add or attach here. Then once you're done, what you're going to do is to click send. Usually they will respond within 7 days or after. So you just have to check your Facebook or email that you have used for your Facebook. They will send you a message there. So as you can see, finalizing bug report, and all you have to do is you just have to wait. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.